This mixture eliminates cough and helps remove phlegm. It treats sore throat. You can make it at any time. You will stop cough attacks and recover faster. Slice a red onion. Then chop a piece of ginger. Also, chop 1 garlic clove. Slice 1 clean lime. In a pot, add the ingredients one by one. Onion helps treat persistent dry cough, as well as wet cough with accompanying phlegm. Ginger warms up stagnant secretions, soothes cough, and eliminates sore throat. Garlic is a well-known home antibiotic and has antiseptic properties, thus alleviating sore throat. Lime aids in treating upper respiratory tract disorders, including cough and sore throat. Add a cinnamon stick. This spice effectively soothes sore throat and persistent cough. Pour 2 cups of water and turn on the stove. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer covered for 15 minutes. Then strain and pour into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey to each glass. Drink twice a day for 1 week. Do you make such mixtures at home?
This natural mixture cuts cough like a knife. You will stop coughing immediately, and your throat will stop hurting. It acts as a shield against the flu. Take a large orange. Cut off its end. Using a knife and a spoon, scoop out the pulp. The orange boosts the immunity of mucous membranes and seals the walls of blood vessels, preventing viruses from entering the body. It is rich in vitamin C, which makes the course of the illness milder. Take a clove of garlic. Chop it into small cubes. It contains allicin, a substance that has antibiotic properties. It soothes coughs and inflammations. Put it into the hollowed orange. Next, take a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into pieces. It has a warming effect, reduces low-grade fever, alleviates accompanying infection-related headaches, muscle aches, and sore throat. It thins mucus and soothes coughs. Add ginger pieces to the orange. Pour a tablespoon of honey over the mixture. It has antibacterial properties and helps to eliminate bacteria from the body faster. It has expectorant properties, aiding the process of clearing the respiratory passages. It transforms dry cough into a wet one, allowing the expulsion of mucus. Close the orange and leave it for 2 hours. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will be almost ready. Take a citrus juicer. Squeeze the orange with the mixture on it. The juicer strainer will drain the garlic and ginger pieces. Pour the mixture into a small jar. The dosage for children under 2 years old is 2 teaspoons per day. Adults can drink the entire mixture at once. This homemade syrup is 100 times stronger than antibiotics. This natural recipe has been used for generations. You don't need to spend a fortune at the pharmacy when you have a cold. To make it, you'll need 2 heads of garlic. It's important that the garlic is organic. When buying it, pay attention to its country of origin. Peel it and chop it into small pieces. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. Our grandmothers used it when treating colds for a reason. It's an excellent antibacterial agent that warms and helps clear the airways. Studies have shown that garlic is an excellent remedy that supports the treatment of viral infections. Regular use of garlic helps combat colds caused by infections and also helps with coughs and inflamed mucous membranes. The next ingredient is ginger, which also has many healing properties. Peel it using a spoon and cut it into small pieces. Ginger root has detoxifying, pain-relieving, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. This is all thanks to gingerol, which is a potent antioxidant. Prepare clean jar. Put the chopped garlic and ginger into it. The base of the syrup will be honey. This liquid gold is indispensable during illness. It acts like a compress on the infected throat. It is recommended for hoarseness, cough, dryness, and throat pain. Honey has bacteriostatic, antifungal, and immune-boosting properties due to the antioxidants it contains. The final ingredient for the syrup is lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze the juice. Use a strainer to separate the seeds from the juice. It strengthens the immune system. Pour the juice into the jar with the syrup. Mix everything thoroughly. Leave this homemade syrup overnight. The ingredients in it inhibit the development of infection. During a cold, take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. Recipe for fermented beets that won't mold. The brine is not only a base for making borscht, but also a natural remedy for many ailments. Drinking and eating fermented beets prevent constipation, lower blood pressure, and have anti-cancer properties. To prepare a 1.5-liter jar, you'll need about 1 kilogram of beets. Choose fresh and firm beets. Wash them thoroughly and peel them. For fermenting the beets, you'll need garlic. Take a head of garlic and crush it with a knife. Then peel the cloves. Place them at the bottom of a large, sterilized jar. Also, add 3 bay leaves and a few allspice berries to the bottom. Fermented beets also include horseradish. It not only affects the taste, but also benefits the digestive system, stimulating the secretion of digestive juices, improving metabolism, and aiding digestion. Slice it and add it to the jar. Slice the beets into thin slices. This helps the beets ferment faster. I do this while wearing gloves to avoid staining my hands. Add them to the jar, filling it up to the point where the jar narrows at the opening. In a saucepan, pour 2 liters of water. It doesn't need to be boiled. For each liter of water, add 1 tablespoon of salt. I recommend using Quadoa rock salt for preserving, which is not artificially iodized. It contains its natural minerals and iodine. Stir everything thoroughly until the salt dissolves. Pour the brine into the jar. The brine should cover all the beets. The narrow neck of the jar will help keep them in place, preventing them from floating above the surface. Cover the prepared beets and set them aside for 5 days. After this time, the brine will be ready. Fermented beets help with anemia, support the immune system, aid in rebuilding intestinal bacterial flora, and assist the liver and kidneys. It's best to serve the brine in a glass for a much better taste. It's recommended to drink 1 shot glass of it daily for your health. Our grandmothers have been using it for years.
Drink this before bedtime, and the effects will surprise you. It dissolves everything you've eaten throughout the day. This green beverage is a natural weight loss remedy. It boosts metabolism and aids in easy elimination. Effectively combating constipation, it's simple and inexpensive to prepare. Take 3 smaller cucumbers and peel them. Cucumbers are excellent for hydrating the body, providing numerous vitamins and minerals. They act as antioxidants, aid in constipation issues, support weight loss, and regulate blood sugar levels. Chop the cucumbers into smaller pieces and place them in a container for crushing. Add clean, fresh mint leaves. Mint stimulates the secretion of digestive juices. Squeeze the juice from a lemon and pour it into the container with cucumbers and mint. Lemon primarily alleviates heartburn symptoms and aids digestion. Include a small piece of ginger with the cucumbers and mint. Ginger stimulates the production of saliva, gastric juices, and bile. Pour around 300 to 400 milliliters of water. Blend everything, strain it through a sieve, and pour it into glasses. Drink it every night before bedtime. It takes literally a moment to make. Use it for at least a week, and you'll feel the results. Your metabolism will improve, and you'll experience significant relief. It supports weight loss, leaving you feeling noticeably lighter.